Did you know that natural tap water is dirtier than you think? The water contains dirt, rust, sediment, and harmful bacteria. Using tap water to wash your clothes can lead to yellow stains, skin allergies, and unclean vegetables despite washing. These are indicators of dirty water in your home. We built the Cuckoo Prime X3 outdoor water filter to solve these problems for you. It cleans 3 ways for clean water always. The first method is the Prime X3's re-engineered PVDF 2.0 ultra-filtration membrane. It has a high flux membrane, high chemical stability, and superior durability. It has a filter membrane of 0.05 microns that is the ideal pore size to effectively eliminate water pollutants and reduce clogging. The ultra-filtration membrane is part of the Prime X3's Royal Out-to-In filtration system, which filters water more effectively than standard filters. For the second method, the Prime X3 is equipped with a new Prime X flush system, which allows you to manually flush the filter to optimize filtration performance. This is accomplished by reversing the flow of water to wash away contaminants and reduce clogging. The third method is the automated flushing system. The auto timer setting periodically flushes the system to keep it clean at all times. Besides these main functions, the Prime X3 also contains other features, such as a seamless full stainless steel vessel and a compact design for easy installation. The Prime X3 is also one of the few non-electric outdoor filters in the market. The Prime X3 is best suited for home water sources with a water pressure between 20 to 60 psi. The Prime X3 is available from only 75 ringgit a month with the Cuckoo Good plan, or purchase it outright for 2,400 ringgit. Furthermore, every purchase of the Prime X3 comes with free scheduled service every 6 months by the Cuckoo Plus service team to ensure the longevity of your product. Get the Cuckoo Prime X3 outdoor water filter today and get clean water into your household all day, every day.